Hey there, this is Brady from GreenMountain GreenWalls doing our weekly servicing here in OnLogic. Usually when I'm going through and watering plants, I look for a couple of things, one of them being pests. A lot of these plants can come up from Florida with pests dormant in them, and then as they get stressed in these office environments, they can start to become apparent and affect the plant. So we always got to watch out for that kind of thing. A lot of the time when we do have a plant with pests, we take a few extra precautions. We make sure to wash our hands after dealing with the plant and use a couple of different IPM methods to take care of the pests, such as just pulling off leaves that are affected, as well as here we have a solution of rosemary oil and water. Another thing we look for just to see overall plant health is if it's sending off any new growth. Here you can see these lighter, kind of more lime green colored leaves are all the new growth, and it's coming out of each one of the main stems, so that's a good sign.